Hi everyone, welcome to another video of how to configure allow list on our EW300N. Okay, so this is a wireless smart wireless router. Okay, uh, it's basically supports 300 Mbps wireless speed. Okay, and have two antennas of 5 dBi. Cloud management, so you can use our Ruji Cloud to configure and monitor remotely. It has basically up to 3 LAN ports, okay, and 1 WAN port. So let's move to the configuration. Okay, so when you access our device EW300N with the default IP address, which is 10.44.77.254, so you will see this interface, okay, with the device details, okay, with the Wi-Fi primary and guest Wi-Fi. So guest Wi-Fi you can also use to make the users separate from the main network. Then you will see the options of the ports, okay, of Wi-Fi router, and here when you click on more options in the Wi-Fi, you will see the option of blocklist and allow list. So there are mainly two options. The first one is all devices except blocklisted devices can connect to the Wi-Fi. So mainly all devices will get connect, only the device, only the MAC address added in the block list will not get connected to the Wi-Fi. And if you use this option, only allow list device can connect to the Wi-Fi. So if you add a MAC address, it will be allowed to connect to the Wi-Fi, other than if you any other phone with different MAC address is added will not be allowed to connect to the Wi-Fi. So we will try to use the option, the first one, okay, all devices except blocklist devices can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So let's try to add the MAC address of my laptop and we will see if it's connect or not. Now I will try to add my laptop MAC address to do the verification test for the block list and allow list. So this is the SSID Ruji test, okay, and this is my MAC addresses. Okay, so I will copy and I will change the format. This is the format, and now I will add the remarks. I will name the MAC address with the phone number, with the name of device. So it's like HP laptop, okay. So when I click on and I save, you will see the Wi-Fi got disconnected. So this is the MAC address I added in the block list. So when I add the specific MAC address of my laptop to the block list, it disconnect me from the Wi-Fi of this router. So if you see, it's not getting connect to the Ruji test now. If I try again, it will not allow me to connect to the Ruji test. And now if you want to add a device in allow list option, okay, what will happen? In allow list, only the device added in the allow list will allow to access the Wi-Fi using this router, and other devices will be blocked. So let's move again. Okay, I will connect to this Wi-Fi. and I will add the MAC address again. Okay, again HP laptop. Now we will try to connect another device to check the allow list option. Okay, so I will add this MAC address to the allow list. The device is now connected to the SSID Ruji test. This is the SSID of this router. So now I will try to connect another phone or any device to check this allow list work or not. So remember, if you add a device in allow list, the specific device will be allowed to access the Wi-Fi and others will be blocked. So let's move to my phone and we will try to connect to the specific SSID. So now if you see, I have added the MAC address of my laptop in the allow list. So only this device will be allowed to connect to the Wi-Fi on this router. So let's test on my phone. Okay, this is my phone and there is multiple SSIDs, right? So I will try to connect to this SSID Ruji test. Okay, I will add the password. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. So see, Ruji test, it couldn't connect to the network. So only this MAC address is allowed to access this Wi-Fi network. So this is how the allow list and block list can be applied on our EW series. If you have any questions related to the video, you can comment below in the chat box.